Hi, this is Sonya with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to Miss Pham's Index Card Art Relaunch. And it's hosted by Thelisha of Where Baking and Crafting Meet on Facebook. And if you're interested in participating in the challenge, you can just go to her Facebook page, and the link to the prompts and things like that are in there. And basically what it is, it's a relaunch of the 2022 Index Card Art that was originally hosted by Pham of LiviesLovelies. So I'm just going to play catch up on it, and I am at week 22, but I'm going to do week 22 through 27, which is growth, relax, joy, balance, nurture, and aware. But I'm just going to make these kind of similar to each other. So I'm going to try to make these in like 10 minutes, like seriously. I'm going to try to do 6 of them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue on some, or paste on some of these little book pages. I'm just going to randomly put them on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'm supposed to be doing 6 of them, is what I told myself. So I'm just going to, it feels like I have a double page, but I guess I don't. I'm just going to peel some of this paper off of here and then just literally start gluing or pasting. But it's a good way to use up some of your scraps, and I've got plenty of them. And I figure since I've already got some out from doing other challenges, it's a good way to just go ahead and use it up on other projects, you know. So good way to use up your scraps, and because I'm always saying I'm going to use them, and then they sit here, and or I accumulate even more, you know. So can't help it because I love crafting. So what have you guys been up to lately? Are you participating in any challenges, or just challenging yourself at trying new techniques and things like that? Like what all are you guys doing? For me, luckily, these last few weeks, I got a lot of time off for vacation for the week of the 4th of July. My plant was shut down, and in the way my work schedule is, I work like a 12-hour shift, rotating shift. So I don't have to go back to work until Thursday, technically. But I still do work on the side, so. But yeah, I've been able to participate in other challenges and things like that. But yeah, my productivity is going to be coming to a halt pretty soon. Not a complete halt, but I won't be posting as much in the next few weeks because I'll be back to my normal work schedule. So whatever I put out, I'm going to have to pre-record. All right, so now that we've got the paper on there, I'm just going to take just a little bit of some of these different color infusions. First, I'm going to start with this yellow, this limoncello. And infusions are very potent, like they are very bright. So you only need just a little bit. Just spray it with water. And I'm just going to dab these just to pick up some color. I thought that was going to be more yellow, but that's fine. I can live with it. And then after I do the yellow, I'm going to come back through with, I guess probably green or something. And some are going to have more yellow than green or whatever. So, okay, so now this one is Emerald Isle, which is the green. I'm just going to put a little bit of that. And like I said, these colors are very potent. So you don't need a whole lot. Just a little bit. color. All right, so we've got these, and then we're gonna do this Rocky Road, which is like a reddish color. We definitely don't need a lot of that, just a hint of color of it. Okay, so now I am going to dry these. Okay, so I pretty much got these dry. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them to some coffee dyed paper. I'm just going to glue them on. That way the backs of them can be coffee dyed. I'm just going to paste them on, actually, is what I'm going to do. And that one's empty. I have like a bunch of these laying on the table. I don't know which ones are empty. Yeah, that one's empty. I should have just threw it away. Or better yet, I could just take... I'm cheap. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Sometimes I'll like I'll take like a spatula or something, and I will dig that doggone glue out because I do not like wasting. I know that's cheap. That's like, girl, Sonya, like, really, girl, just go buy another one. Nope. Well, I am going to buy some. But still, before I buy some, I'm using up my doggone glue, my paste. I mean, that adds up, you know. I am cheap. I'm not going to lie. But I don't care. I don't mind. Like, I hate wasting. Like, I hate it. It bothers me. Okay, so I'm satisfied. I got most of that out. All right, I'm not gonna make you sit here and wait. I've got other glue sticks, but I just didn't want to waste any. I just want to kind of show you, yes, I do that. Yes, she does that. And yes, that's, I don't know what kind of word you can describe it as, but I'm totally cool with whatever you call me. I don't care. All right, let me get my other glue stick. That's, yeah, I have glue sticks, but yeah, like I said, I don't like wasting. I got a mess over here. All right, so we got these all glued on here. So now I'm just going to cut each one of them out. Okay, so I decided to round off the corners. And then I'm just going to take some stencil work, or some stencils, and we're going to create some designs or whatever. Okay, so now what I'm going to do to make these a little bit more pronounced is I'm just going to go around the edge. I don't know, I love to do highlighting. Because to me, for some reason, it just brings out the image. And I'm just going around like where the book page was, and whatever shape it was in, that's the shape that it's taking. Okay, so now I'm just going to use up some of these stickers that I've been hoarding. I need to really use them because I love them. They're pretty. It's just sometimes I feel like I'm cheating whenever I use them. I don't know why I feel like that, but okay, so I did have to kind of sort through and find some stickers that I felt like would look good on here. And then my other dilemma is trying to get these things loose, because sometimes the stickers will come apart from the backing and sometimes they just don't want to cooperate. So some of these I did off camera so it wouldn't take all day long trying to take the backing off. Alright, so now we got our stickers on there, and I kind of like these ones that are vertical. So we'll have like vertical, some horizontal, some, you know, different directions and stuff. So now I think I'm going to add like a little birdie or something. Okay, so I finally finished them. So I'm just going to go pick them up. They're not in order chronologically, but here's one of them, and this is Balance. And we've got the little Posca doodling, our little sticker, our stenciling, and then of course we have our coffee backdrop. And here's another one. I like how they turned out. I'm satisfied with it. But it's amazing what you can do with just a little bit of colors. Whether it's, it doesn't have to be infusions. It can be oxide inks, alcohol inks, paint, whatever you have. You know, just whatever to produce colors and shapes and things like that. And just use some index cards, you know, from Dollar Tree, Dollar General, wherever, Walmart. You know, and you can have some cute little art, you know. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And like I said, if you want to participate, I'll have a link in the description to show you how to do the index card art. And it's really fun. It's a good way to use up your scraps and whatever stuff you've probably been hoarding if you're like me. Just a good way to have fun. So thank you for all who have subscribed to my channel, my new subbies, my old subbies, and just anyone who's just watching it. I appreciate the support, and as always, happy crafting.